Hi friends, welcome to my channel, The Pitman Shorthand in Telugu. I am your Phanirani. In this advanced phrases, today's word is against. Against. You can have only few phrases with it, but they are useful. Look at the first one, against the. Gay with star loop and the tick above the line. Gay with star loop and the tick above the line. This is against them. Next one is against the same. Against the same. This is against the same. And then next one is against the same party. Against the same party. Against the same, and P should be like this. This is party. This P indicates for party. Against the same and party. This is against the party. Next one is against the same policy. Against the same policy. You should have very careful in this party and policy. The stroke is the same. For party we are also writing P like this, and also policy we are writing like this, but we should careful when we are transcription the word. Whichever you recognize the phrase, that phrase you should use. Otherwise don't use that phrase. In case you write the phrase in transcription, you don't recognize that phrase will be a waste. Okay friends, next one is against us. Against us. Against us. Against you. Against you. This is against you. Only few phrases about against. And next one is agree. Agree, agreed. In phrases, these two words are either followed by to or with, so these can easily be omitted. First one, look at the first one, agree to address. Girl and der and circles. Agree to address. Next one is agree to buy. Gar and B with I diphthong above the line. Agree to buy. Agree to convey. Agree to convey. Gar and V disjoining. This is agree to convey. And agree to let. Gar and L half length form. Gar and L half length form. Agree to let. Agree to pay. Next one is agree to pay. Gar and P. Agree to pay. And next one is agree to propose. Gar and per doubling stroke with circulars. Agree to propose. Next one is agreed to suggest. Agreed to suggest. Gar circulus J and with ST loop. Agreed to suggest. Next one is he will agree with me. He will agree and with me. This is he will agree with me. And next one is he will agree with him. This stroke is very similar to he will agree with me. He will and m. Agree with me and agree with him. For your recognition, you should put a small vowel place. Other than you will be confused, is either it is a he will agree with me or he will agree with him. So with him you should put a vowel. And next one is they will agree with him. They will agree with him. They will agree and with him. They will agree and with him. In him sound you should vowel place. Other than you will be confused me or him between these two words. And next one is they will agree with me. Look at here. Him we have put the vowel place and then me we have not putting the vowel place. They will agree agree with me. And next one is you will agree with him. You will agree with him. You will agree with him. This is you will agree with him. And next one is you will agree with me. You will agree with me. In me we are not placing the vowel place and in him we are for him stroke we are placing the vowel. Okay friends, this is the agree and agreed and also against. These are today's phrase words. You can practice these phrases thoroughly and use these phrases in your dictations. You get speed in your dictations. Okay, thank you for watching friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.